So now our next topic is graphs. So graphs we will do more in our mathematics course. There is a full part, graph theory. This is very important in your GATE also. So we will do that also. But now, for now, data structure we have graph. So what is a graph? See, tree we have seen like this, not an annual tree, just a tree, or maybe it can be ternary tree or anything. So from one node you can reach to another node by just traversing the tree. So this is tree, but there is a huge difference between a graph and a tree. So what is it? So in graph, so like this is also a graph, but in graph it is not always possible with like from every node you can traverse to another node. From it can be a directed graph also, like this. So you cannot reach another node from a single node. So this is from in a directed graph or a single graph, in like a non-directed graph. This is a huge difference between a tree and a graph. This is very important to remember, like to understand. So what is the main difference? So in graph theory we have BFS, DFS, then topological sorting. All these are important topics in graph. So in BFS I will do in video in separate, but now BFS is level ordering. So what does BFS do? BFS do is like, BFS means breadth first traversal. Okay, so breadth first means what? You go like this, then this, then this. This is basically BFS. It's going breadth wise. And DFS means depth first traversal. It will go like this one, then it will return back, then it will go like this. In depth first way, now like depth way with DFS will work, and topological sort it is not same like this. I will do a separate video on this. So now it is important to know BFS and DFS first. So another thing I want to say, BFS uses stack, BFS uses queue. So this is very confusing which to use. So how I remember, you can see that I wrote DFS first. So what we are studying? Data structure. So DS. So you can think it like DFS as in D and stack as in S. So you can remember it like this, because I always remember it like this, because I used to get confused between queue and stack, which to use where. So you can remember by this, because one or two questions I have seen that a GATE it was asking that which data structure is used in stack or queue, in DFS. So this is a simple way to remember.